If your Bluehost website is showing old content, not updating properly, or changes are not appearing right away, the problem is often just a cache issue. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the cache issue in Bluehost quickly and safely so your website loads the latest version. This is a simple fix, but it can save you a lot of frustration when you're editing pages, updating images, or making design changes and nothing seems to change on the front end. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and hosting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the website section. This is where Bluehost keeps the tools for managing your hosted sites. Click on Websites to continue. Now find the website that is giving you the cache problem. Next to that website, click Manage Site. This will open the settings and controls for that specific site, so make sure you choose the correct one if you manage more than one website. Inside the site management area, look for the performance option. Bluehost usually groups caching and speed settings under this section because cache is tied to how your website loads and performs. Click Performance to open the cache tools. Now look for the Clear Cache option. Depending on your Bluehost interface, this may be listed clearly in the performance area. When you find it, click Clear All Cache. This step removes the stored cached version of your site, so Bluehost can start serving the newest version instead of an old saved copy. Once you clear the cache, give it a moment to finish processing. After that, open your website again in a new tab or refresh the page. If the issue was caused by server-side caching, you should now see the latest changes on your site. If the page still looks outdated, there is one more quick step you can try. Press Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard to force refresh the page. On Windows, this helps bypass the browser cache and reload the page directly from the server. If you're on a Mac, you can use the equivalent force refresh shortcut in your browser. This is useful because sometimes the problem is not only on Bluehost, but also in your own browser cache. So, to recap, the full process is simple. Log into Bluehost, go to Websites, open Manage Site, click Performance, clear all cache, then reload your site and force refresh if needed. In most cases, that will fix the cache issue and your changes should appear correctly. If this video helped you solve the problem, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.